Time and again, we keep hearing that one of the most important aspects for students aspiring for civil services is conceptual clarity. But what exactly do you understand by conceptual clarity? To drive this point to you, let me illustrate a small example. If a question appears before you, is India a federation? It so happens that actually when I ask this kind of a question in the class, several students come out with series of interpretations. There are some students who say that India is practically unitary. There are some students who say India is quasi-federal. There are some students who say India is federal in structure, unitary in spirit. But all these observations or all these comments on Indian Federation does not actually give us a clear picture or give us a very straight answer to the question, is India a federation? To answer this, we first require to clearly have an understanding of what exactly is a federation and what are those features which make a particular constitution a federal constitution. Once you have that in mind, only you'll be able to answer such kind of question. Therefore, please emphasize in your preparation on conceptual clarity, getting to know the concepts, understanding the essence of the concepts. Thank you so much.